A 4-month effort from the Drug Enforcement Agency and law enforcement partners has taken over nearly 4 million deadly doses of fentanyl off the street from Ohio to Michigan.
13 on your side's Micah Cho's in the newsroom with details about this operation.
It's called One Pill Can Kill and took place from May of this year until early September. Basically, law enforcement officials and the DEA focused on educating the community and getting counterfeit pills laced with fentanyl and fentanyl powder off the streets.
During phase 3, DEA took over 10 million fentanyl pills, fake pills, off of the street, and approximately 982 pounds of fentanyl powder.
With drug cartels manufacturing fentanyl to look more like prescription medication, the Drug Enforcement Agency and the United States Attorney's Office is cracking down on the dangerous drug that is 50 times more potent than heroin.
According to the CDC, the leading cause of death for Americans 18 to 45 is drug overdose and poisonings.
During phase 3 of the DEA's One Pill Can Kill campaign from May 23 of 2022 until September 8, the agency focused on educating the public of the dangers of fentanyl and how they're now being made to look like common drugs and taking those drugs off the street. The DEA and law enforcement also made a large seizure here in Michigan and the Ohio region, which is popular for drug trafficking along the Interstate 75.
Relative to Michigan and Ohio, we seized approximately 4 million deadly doses, the majority of which were seized in Ohio.
Dr. Colleen Lane, medical director of addiction medicine at Spectrum Health, says she's seen firsthand what addiction to opioids can do and the destruction it has on communities.
And as we've heard, the numbers are skyrocketing. In Michigan in the last year, over 2,800 drug poisonings resulting in death.
Locally here in Kent County, the health department says from January of 2021 until June of 2022, there were 160 overdose deaths, 108 fentanyl related. Dr. Lane reiterates the dangers street drugs are having on community members when it comes to accidental overdoses.
Have patients who think they are taking a pain pill, familiar names, Percocet, Oxy, Norco, and what it actually is fentanyl powder that has been pressed into a pill that looks like it came from a pharmacy.
As part of the nationwide effort of getting and seizing fentanyl, law enforcement also seized 338 weapons, including rifles, shotguns, pistols, and hand grenades.